How's it going, everybody? This is Fastlane Fixer, and before I start the video, really, I just wanted to say that I had an update on the one wheel peel go-kart. So I sold it the other day for $300. So I got it for $200, and I didn't really do anything to it except for get it running and put the roll cage on, and I sold it for $300. So I got $100 profit, which I'm really happy with that for considering how easy that was. Okay, so I got another go-kart here. I got it from my brother. So it's got a lot of kill switches. I think that's supposed to be one. There's one, and none of, actually, I don't know. Some of them might work, I don't know. It's got electric start. It's a 3-speed, I believe. Not sure how many horsepower it has, but I think it's a 120 cc. I'm not real sure, but yeah. So I think to start it, you have to touch these two with a screwdriver. So I think I'm gonna figure out how to get it to work without having to do that. And yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to do that. It also has front and rear suspension, so yeah. And it has rack and pinion steering, but it needs to be like oiled, so it doesn't really work very well right now. But it's got lights, which I'm not sure if they work or not. Might just be the battery's dead. The brake reservoir is, well, yeah, cracked open. So as far as I know, the brakes work. I'm gonna actually start it up using the screwdriver and see which one of these kill switches actually works, if any of them do. So yeah, let's see if we can start it up. Okay, so the battery's just too dead, so I'm gonna charge it for a little bit and then we'll try again. Okay, so actually before I start it up, it's got a fuel leak. So I'm gonna see if I can pull off the carburetor, figure out what's wrong, and yeah, I'll show you once I get it off. Okay, so I got it off. I'm gonna get the bowl off now. Yeah, that doesn't look too good. Looks like somebody was in there trying to clean it out. So, since I got all the gas out, I think I'm gonna go back inside to do the rest. Okay, so I got it all apart. That looks pretty clean. Yeah, that doesn't come off. Now I'm gonna put it back together. Let's put it back on and see if it still leaks. Okay, got the carburetor on. Gonna turn the gas on. And now we wait and see if it leaks or not, I guess. So while we wait for that, this battery does not hold a charge whatsoever, so it's gonna need a new battery. Oh, it's leaking. It's leaking. It's leaking. Okay, this air filter is like all taped up and everything, so I'm gonna take all this off and see what it looks like. So here's the air filter. That's where it came off. Huh. So right there. No, yeah. I think it might have been tacked or something. Okay, I think I might need a new air filter. So I think I got it figured out why it was leaking. So they had the fuel line on here, right? And there's a little hole on there which goes to there. But it should be on this one, which goes to where the needle is. So what was happening was it just kept on filling up with gas, and it wouldn't, when the float would push down on the needle and it should turn it off, turn the, like, it would shut off the gas, it didn't. So I just need to put it on there and that should stop it. Okay, my camera's almost dead, so I'm gonna see if I can start it up real quick, and I don't know if it'll last, but we'll see. Okay, so I actually started it up, but my camera died, so now I'm just using my iPod Touch to film this. So sorry if it's a lot jerkier and poor quality, but don't actually need to use a screwdriver. But yeah, the battery it doesn't hold a charge at all, so I just turn this on and left the kill switch on. And then turn that off. There we go. So quiet, you can barely hear it. But it's not a 3-speed, but it has reverse. Look at that. And go back into neutral. Oh, it died. Huh. It, like, for some reason that time it started to, like, stall when you give it full throttle. I don't know. But, yeah. So, got it running. But, so I need a new battery. Oh, and I forgot to show, but this light, oop, that's hot. Yeah, it actually turns on. That one does not. Wow, that looks corroded. So, but I can take this switch off because it doesn't work. This is the kill switch, and this is the start switch. So, need to keep those. But yeah, need a new battery. I need a air filter because the one that was on here, this one, I can't figure out how they had this in there, so I'm just gonna get another one. Pretty sure they're not very expensive, but yeah. Other than that, the brakes, I'll have to get another brake reservoir, but other than that, I don't think it needs anything as far as brakes go. And the steering's still, it turns a little bit. Anyway, that's really tight. But yeah. So I think I'm gonna get the battery, brake reservoir, and an air filter the next video on this. But let's see, I wonder how much gas it has. Oh, that might be why it was barely getting along. There's not much gas in there. So, yeah, I don't really need to do that much to it, actually. I think that's about all I can do in this video that I can think of. Yeah, so we thought the starter might be bad. Or not the starter, but the switch or whatever. But yeah, it turns out that's fine. Okay. So I think I'm going to try to get the steering loosened up a little bit. And then I think I might take it for a test drive. I know the brakes don't work because they don't have them really hooked up right. The brake reservoir doesn't, well, it has a hole in it, so it can't hold brake fluid. But there's a difference between this one and the one that we wrecked. This one, the wheels actually stop on their own, and you can put it in neutral. So, oh, and it actually has a kill switch right there. So there's nothing that can really go wrong, because I've tested the kill switch like 4 or 5 times. So, yeah, I think I'm going to try it. Well guys, I think that's gonna have to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Greatly appreciate it. So yeah, I'll see you next time.